Finally, let's talk briefly about soundings. I know these diagrams can be pretty intimidating if you're just seeing them for the first time or just getting into severe weather forecasting and storm chasing, but they are one of our most critical tools that we can use when making a forecast, so it's definitely worth inclusion. We're just going to give you some basic tips about how you can tell whether or not a sounding is favorable for severe weather. So basically, these soundings come from the weather balloons that are released by the National Weather Service offices every morning and evening. They usually release them at 7 a.m. Central Daylight Time and 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time, sometimes during the middle of the day as well, sometimes around 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Just depends on the day. If there's more active weather, they will release more balloons. If it's a quieter day, they might just release one balloon in the morning, one in the evening. So the weather balloons are equipped with instrument packages that radio back data that consists of temperature, dew point, pressure, winds, etc., all the way up into the atmosphere until it pops, basically. What the Weather Service gets back is a bunch of raw data that's manipulated into a nice looking diagram that looks like this. This is an example of a nice sounding that's been compiled by sounding software. After the raw data has come back, this is what it looks like. So the sounding is basically split into two main parts. On the left here, we have the Skew-T, and on the right, we have the hodograph. We'll start here on the left with our Skew-T diagram. This is showing us the thermodynamics in the atmosphere at that given location that the sounding was released from. This is basically involving our temperature and how moist, how dry, how unstable our air is.
Don't learn alone. Discord community link in bio.